This popcorn bucket was never supposed to be released in the United States until Comic-Con changed everything. Today, I'm unboxing the rarest Back to the Future collectible of the year. And yes, it even has Mr. Fusion. So let's open it. Welcome back to DeLorean Rental. We've got an absolutely massive video today. As you can tell from the title, from the thumbnail, we have in our possession not one, but two of the ultra rare Back to the Future DeLorean Time Machine popcorn buckets. Quick tutorial on these. These were actually released in 2024, so a year ago, for the 35th anniversary of Back to the Future Part 2, but only in limited release in Mexico at the Cinemax theaters. So, as the story goes, San Diego Comic-Con just happened to finish. I have a couple very good friends that are in the industry. We're working with AMC, and at AMC Theater happened to have some exclusive Back to the Future 40th anniversary DeLorean popcorn buckets. So, we're gonna get into this unboxing. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm gonna tell you how you can get one of these for free, and also how you might be able to get your hands on one of these extremely exclusive items. At the end of the video, we'll also talk about maybe what AMC's plans are for these. Are they gonna re-release them or release them to the general public? What's going on with these? So we'll deep dive into that now. But stick around to the end of the video. So I haven't opened these. These are still sealed. So there's two of these. Wow, it's heavy. So there it is, and we'll set this off to the side here so we can take a look at it. So there it is. There is the Back to the Future DeLorean Time Machine. I get you see some of the writing on there. Not much really to see from a packaging standpoint. I'm gonna be very careful with this, so I'm going to cut the end of this off. And again, I will get into the story behind these. If you're in the community, if you've ever seen these, again, about a year ago, there was a lot of shorts and a couple of videos that just went uber viral, 5-10 million views of one of these at a Cinemax theater in Mexico. And people were like, what is that? Never seen it, never heard of it. These are very, very, very rare. I've tried to get my hands on one for a while. Haven't been able to. I just missed out on a bid on one of them. And lo and behold, they were available this past weekend at the AMC theater booth at San Diego Comic-Con. This thing is really, really cool. It's heavy, actually. It's got some weight to it. Obviously, it's not as detailed as some of the other models that are out there. It's not meant to be that. Again, these were originally made for the 35th anniversary of Part 2, which was last year. So I think if we're lucky, we'll look under here. It does say Back to the Future faintly under there, as you can see. I've seen other ones that actually had a sticker that said Back to the Future on them, but this one does not. So there are two pull tabs here, I see. And I'm assuming if I hit the switch right here, it lights up, although the back's not lighting up, so maybe we have to, oh, there he goes. Maybe I didn't get the switch all the way done. So there it is. Now we're gonna get to the fun part here in a minute. I do like how it lights up. Maybe I'll give you a little bit better view with the lights off. Oh, look at that. Absolutely cool, absolutely beautiful. And for this being a popcorn bucket that you could get at a movie theater, does it get any more amazing than that? I've never gone to a movie theater and been able to have such an amazing item. And again, it's got some real good weight to it. I'm impressed. So we'll get the lights back on. We'll open the doors and let you see what this thing looks like with the actual popcorn in it, the bucket, so to speak. So the doors, I assume they're supposed to open just like that. So the doors open just as they would in any DeLorean. like so. And then on this, you are supposed to just slide each of them to the right. And you've got a bucket. Now, let's see if we can go to the future and fill this thing, all right? It is now filled with popcorn, as it would be. And look at that, we've got even a piece hopping out there trying to get out so it doesn't have to go 88 miles an hour. Although we don't need that with Mr. Fusion. So check that out. Imagine being at a movie theater and being able to just sit in your seat and eat some popcorn out of your DeLorean time machine replica from part 2. How amazing is that? This thing is absolutely wild. Now, as I stated in the beginning of the video, these were originally made for the 2024 35th anniversary of part 2, hence the Mr. Fusion, although Mr. Fusion is briefly seen at the end of part 1. I'm told that they will not be releasing these countrywide. AMC bought out the remainder of these from Cinemax and reboxed them into a special 40th anniversary, specifically just for San Diego Comic-Con, which was last weekend. That's what I'm told. That does not mean that that is gospel. That does not mean that this is the absolute end-all be-all. Maybe they do have an idea to re-release this. However, the 40th anniversary, as we all know, was July 3rd. So I don't know 100% exactly what their plans are for these. I think that this is it. I think if you want one of these, you're gonna have to just hopefully find one on a secondary market. They were going for $300 to $500 before San Diego Comic-Con. I think, and I know for a fact they've come down a little bit because there are a few out there, but I was told there were only a couple hundred of these out there in total for sale, and they sold out immediately at San Diego Comic-Con. And again, thank you to my friends who are in the industry with AMC and San Diego Comic-Con for sending me to. I have another one of these, as you saw, that is still in the packaging. It has not been opened, and I will actually be giving this additional one in the wrapper away for free. Again, for me, this isn't about making money. This is about enjoying, the collectibles outside of DeLorean Rental, the company. You know, I'm a collector. I love collecting things, but I don't hoard things, right? If I could, I would love to, for somebody else to have one of these, right? So we're gonna give one of these away. If you want one of these, comment down below, Great Scott. We're also going to be having out on our Instagram over the next week, we're gonna post an actual social media post on how you can enter that way as well. Probably also our Facebook. And then we will put everything into an auto generator, and then we'll pick one winner for that. So again, it'll be absolutely free to win one of these. You can do what you like with it. You can sell it, you can keep it. I would suggest keeping it. I think these things are only gonna go up in value, in my personal opinion. I don't see them re-releasing these. There's no plans that I know of AMC to put Back to the Future out there worldwide, USA-wide, however you want to say it. I haven't seen anything that their plans on doing that, which this then would coincide with that. But again, this is the part 2 car. So it made sense that these were kind of the leftovers, dead stock, what they did not sell or give away in Mexico. So these are a massive, massive, massive collector's item, in my opinion. So if you can get your hands on one, do it. So make sure you comment Great Scott down below. Make sure you're following us on all of our social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Comment down below, as I said, Great Scott. Also, if you could, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. It helps keep us in the algorithm on YouTube, so when people are looking for this kind of stuff, that they see it. So thanks again for watching. And also, let us know what you think about this. Were you able to get one? I mean, they are extremely, extremely exclusive. So was there anybody else able to get one? If so, how are you liking it? Do you want one? Are you gonna try and get one yourself? Let us know. This thing is amazing. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Very much appreciated. Enjoy your day. We'll see you on the next episode.